Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we are making simple chicken thigh stir fry with perilla leaves. You know, I believe chicken thigh is one of the most popular ingredients in all over the world, and this time we're supposed to season it with just salt and pepper. I mean, I don't use teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, something Japanese. So I'd better to change the name of the channel into Cook with the Japanese or something like that. Anyway, to make it is super easy. So why don't you give it a try? Alright, let's get started! Well, the ingredients for simple chicken thigh stir fry with perilla leaves are basically only two. The first one is chicken thigh and the other one is perilla leaves. You can switch perilla leaves with sweet basils as I told you earlier in this video. Plus you need some sesame oil or any kind of cooking oil you have and a bit of salt and pepper to season. Well, we got only 4 steps to make it. Step number 1 is cut the perilla leaves into pieces. I got 8 leaves into pieces this time. And I'll save 3 for plating the dish. Step number 2 is to cut the chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces and sprinkle some salt on it. Step number 3 is to heat the chicken. When the frying pan is heated, pour in some sesame oil and heat the chicken with medium heat. Step number 4 is to add in the cut perilla leaves. They will be cooked pretty fast, so when the chicken goes nice and brown, put the leaves into the pan and cook it pretty quick. Last but not least, season it with a bit of salt and pepper. That's it! Sounds easy, doesn't it? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Well, it's time to go to step 1. The first thing you do in step 1 is cut the root end off from the perilla leaves. Like this. We got 11 perilla leaves, but we cut 8 into pieces and save 3 for plating. Okay, give it a nice rinse to perilla leaves. Right, we got 8 leaves here. So why don't you pat dry it with paper towel. Right, another one for the other side. Yeah, it's for the other side. I believe it's done. So why don't we cut the perilla leaves into pieces. 8 perilla leaves. After you pile it, roll it and cut it like this.
Right.
I believe it's the best way. Well, I guess you need to give it a nice rinse to the 3 more perilla leaves. I use it when we plate it. Yeah, it's done. So set it aside. Now, why don't we go on to step 2? Alright, it's time to go to step 2. Step 2 is chicken thigh stuff. Spread it over and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Okay. I'll cut it with skin on, but if you feel to cut skin is annoying, remove the skin. Save it for another dish. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay. Sprinkle some salt on it. Yeah, sprinkle some salt on it. Just some salt would be nice. Right, why don't we go on to step 3? It's time to go to step 3. Step 3 is to heat the chicken. When the frying pan is heated, pour in some sesame oil or any kind of cooking oil you have. Put the chicken into the pan. Skin side down will be nice, but it's okay if it's not. Yes, skin side down will be nice. Hopefully, skin side down. Right, and start heating it with medium heat. Too high, but it enters the sky. Okay, heat it with medium heat. Right now, 2 minutes has passed since I started heating the chicken. Then we flip it over. This is gonna be the first flipping over. I gave it a toss like this, not to stick the chicken in the frying pan. It will be my first flipping over. I will I don't need to remove the excess oil, the fake oil, like this. Right, and keep heating it for another 2 minutes or something like that. Okay. Well, no, another 2 minutes is fast, so yeah, it goes nice and brown. Only flipping over the chicken once again. Yeah, I believe it's good. It's well cooked. Yeah. So why don't we go to step 4? Always cook so quickly, so give it a nice there, like this, and add some powdered pepper. It's kind of combined one, so if you don't have combined one, just add salt and pepper separately. Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, I believe it's ready to plate. Looks nice. So here you go. This is simple chicken thigh stir fry with perilla leaves. Well, it's time to plate the dish. You know, put the perilla leaves, 3 perilla leaves like this, and put the dish onto it. Put the chicken on it. Right, goes like this. Looks nice, isn't it? Yeah. Right, now the simple chicken thigh stir fry with perilla leaves is ready now. Here you go. Well, now you know to make simple chicken thigh stir fry with perilla leaves. It's pretty easy. You know, it's not that hard. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Anyway, if you like this video, hit thumbs up button, leave some messages down below, and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Arigato, take good care, bye!